Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, literally not much happened since yesterday. The price got rejected in our micro resistance area defined here between 3,795 and $3,847. It's between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement. This is sort of the level where, as I said, the possible B wave got rejected. Okay, yesterday I posted it yesterday. Maybe wave B got rejected there, and that maybe we're now heading down in wave C of 3 in the yellow count, but there is not enough downside momentum to really clearly suggest that. I'm going to zoom in a minute further, but let's start here just by zooming out a bit. If you followed the last few videos, then you will know that I'm looking for further upside here in possible 5 waves for the price to target at least the March highs, which are here at around $4,100, and then possibly to go up further to around about 4,400, which would be the next main level on the daily time frame, which I looked at yesterday as well in the video. Yeah. So the move up though in the yellow count, if we really bottomed here in this lower support area, which is defined between $2,668 and $2,896, well, the move up looks corrective. Okay, so especially the base, the foundation here where it started from, very ugly. But as I often say, these crypto rallies, sometimes they just happen from ugly structures, but that means that I can just consider it only as a diagonal pattern, which means I have to consider in any pullback that the pullback could be deep. Doesn't have to be deep, but I have to consider the 61.8 retracement as well at 3,208. That makes it very simple, because I can then at least I can say that the price needs to hold above that level, 3,208, to follow the yellow count, or to expect further upside. Okay, so any break below that level will mean that we're likely coming down in the white count, and we'll retest the lower support area, which I just read out to you again. But I can't confirm that until we break below that micro support area here. And actually, ideally, the price would hold here the 3,330 level, which is the 50% retracement. That would be, because it already indicates weakness if the price breaks below that level. So that gives you very clearly the support level. We talked about next upside targets here on the 1 hour chart. Obviously, just to show that again, it's the 4,100 level is really the next upside level to watch. But if this fifth wave is unfolding, then we could also consider, based on just the fibs of the initial 1-2 setup. By the way, the wave 2 was a sharp correction. The guideline of alternation then suggests that the fourth wave should be a sideways correction, and maybe it's this triangle that I added yesterday. I talked about that already earlier today on Discord. So next levels above the March highs are 4,234 and 4,400. The 4,400 level aligns with a Fibonacci level on the daily chart as well. So please note the importance of this level. And then if we zoom in, I mean, if the yellow count is playing out and the third wave topped here on the 23rd of May, we had an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and the C wave to the downside is unfolding right now. Then the C wave would have to be an ending diagonal the way I see it. And we should have topped in wave B, and we're now coming down in wave C. That would be further confirmed with a break below 3,705. I don't want to confirm that too early, because this up and down movement, it hasn't really gone anywhere. The price, we've been, for more than a week, it's been just going up and down without clear direction. So we need some breakout, right? At the same time, as long as we're holding that 3,705 level, the purple count is possible. And it's an Elliott wave triangle, a so-called running triangle, which is quite bullish with an overshooting B wave, in which but they are rare. Okay, they are rare. So please pay attention. They are rare. Don't hope for it. Don't rely on it, I should say. But below 3,705, this will be invalidated. And that would increase probabilities that we continue to come down as per the yellow count. I have to say again, even ending diagonals, they love to change in microstructures. So I think we've got a couple of levels here to watch. 3,705 is the invalidation point of the triangle and also structural support. Upside breakout point is the yellow wave 2 high at 3,880. And if we break below 3,705, the next milestone target to the downside is at 3,567. It's the 100% extension level of the initial A wave. Just a key level to watch. Maybe the low will form here and maybe there'll be another 4-5 pattern. But overall, as long as the price doesn't break below the orange support zone, I'm looking for one more high. But we should not, also based on the smaller time frames, we should not go very low in. We shouldn't go to the lower support levels in that support range. Maybe sort of the middle upper sections. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.